In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in OpenArt. We'll start on the OpenArt homepage. On the left panel, look for the Image section. This is where all the image tools live. Click Image to open the workspace dedicated to editing and improving your pictures. Next, choose Edit Image. This takes you into the editor where you can bring in a photo and access the cropping and cleanup tools. In the center of the screen, you'll see an upload area. You can either drag and drop your image file straight onto that area, or click the icon in the middle to browse your computer. After you pick your file, make sure to click Upload to confirm and load it into the editor. Once your image is in, you'll notice a set of features appear beside the image. Locate the Crop tool. Click Crop, and you'll see a resizable box appear over your photo. Drag the edges or corners to frame exactly what you want to keep. You can also click inside the box to reposition it until the composition looks right. A quick tip: tighten the crop around your subject to remove distractions, or try placing your subject slightly off-center for a more dynamic look. When you're happy with the selection, click the check mark to apply the crop. If you still see unwanted bits after cropping, maybe stray edges or elements that peek into the frame, you can remove them quickly. Click the Remove tool to switch to the cleanup mode. At the bottom, adjust the manual brush size with the slider. A smaller brush gives you precision for tight areas. A larger brush speeds things up on broad sections. Now, select and highlight the parts you want to remove by holding down the left mouse button and dragging over them. As you paint, you're telling the tool exactly what to erase. If your highlight feels too small or too big, adjust the brush size again and continue. It's perfectly normal to make a couple of passes. Brush it again if there are still small parts visible. Keep your strokes just inside the edges of the area you want gone to maintain clean boundaries around your subject. When you've covered everything you want to remove, simply release the left click. The tool will apply your changes based on the areas you highlighted. That's it. Your image is cropped, and any leftover distractions are cleaned up neatly. You've now got a polished result ready for whatever you're creating next.